Yo guys, what's up? Today I want to talk about rejections. They will be part of your entire process from like moment when you start looking for a job and then way into your career. You'll always be rejected, and that's okay. So when I was a freelancer, I was cold calling, cold emailing, applying to like hundreds of jobs on Upwork and whatnot. And then I was getting rejected like hundreds and hundreds of times. I don't even care about rejections. So many of you are so scared of those rejections. Why do you have such a bad connotation associated with the word rejection? It's not a good fit. You're not what they're looking for. I mean, look, let's say you are walking down the street and everyone comes to you and says, let's fuck. Would you say yes to everyone? No, you have some standards. You have some type of person that you like. You have some, criteria that you have to meet. You don't need to do it with everyone else. And it's the same when you have to get a job. Thing is, when you want to get a job, a 6 figures job, right, then it's like you being a 40-year-old virgin trying to get on with a Playboy supermodel. That's kind of the level that you are playing. You'll be getting rejected by a bunch of supermodels until one of them is gonna say, you know what, let me give you a chance, maybe she has a fetish. But I hope you understand, like, rejection is extremely normal and you shouldn't be mad about it. In fact, embrace it. Try to get more rejection. You are trying to get into a 6 figures career and you're upset because of a few rejections. Doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense, correct? In the grand scheme of things, 100 rejections, 100 no's mean nothing, right? Obviously, maybe there is something wrong with what you're doing, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. Those rejections mean absolutely nothing. Nada. Okay? Another thing that I want to talk about is this. Let's say you've been coding for 1 year or 2 years before you decided, okay, now I'm ready to get a job. Getting a job is a different skill, and you are comfortable writing code. You're extremely comfortable writing code, being in front of your computer by yourself, writing code. And right now, someone is basically denying your being. Says, this guy sucks. You've put 2 years into learning this and now 100 people say you suck. It hurts, right? But do not take that feedback as bad feedback or like a personal attack. It's just feedback. You need to learn how to interpret it. Maybe you need more volume. Maybe you need more interviews. Maybe you need to see like what's going wrong with your interviewing skills. Maybe you have no interviewing skills. Maybe you don't look confident. Maybe you know all the answers, but you're not confident. So if you're not confident, then you're not gonna come across well in that Zoom call. Maybe if you have in-person interviews, maybe you need to wash your shirt. Maybe you need to use some deodorant. I have no idea. But rejections are normal and you should embrace them and you should learn from them. And this is my video. I hope you liked it. And if you want more advice, if you want to learn how to become a software developer, this channel is for you, okay? This is everything I do. This is what I focus on, helping people just like you get into high-paying careers, because I myself was working in a shitty job and I wanted a change, and web development was that change for me. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.